Want to animate fire in just a few clicks? Let me show you a super quick and easy way. Using the Puppet Warp tool in Clip Studio Paint. No frame-by-frame drawing. Start by sketching out your flames and the burning woods. Make your flames flowy. Keep it stylized and clean, no need for fancy details. Now draw the line art using a pen brush. Here I'm using the G pen that comes with Clip Studio with a size 10. You can skip the flame line work if you want, as we don't need it for the finished artwork. Now go ahead and place your flat colors. For the wood I chose a saturated brown color. As for the flames I went with a simple gradient from orange to golden yellow. You can experiment with different colors for different results. Group your line art and flat colors, and drag them into the animation folder to start animating. Note that each color of the flame is on a separate layer, as I want to animate them separately. Now for the first frame I will leave the drawing as is. The second frame I use the Puppet Warp to tweak the drawing slightly. I add motion to each flame layer separately, and adjust it to my liking. You can experiment in this step by exaggerating the movement or keeping it simple. In each frame I copy-paste the frame before it, and make adjustments following the previous frame. This is a short animation, so there won't be many frames. I found 8 frames to be enough for this animation. I went ahead and added some details to make it more interesting. Small sparks here and there, just simple brush strokes, nothing complicated. I animated the small flames going upwards to indicate the burning process. In each frame I drag them a bit higher and rotate them to add some change. This is really it. You just duplicate each layer for the new frame and adjust it slightly using the Puppet Warp. No need for redrawing each frame. This approach works best for simple drawings, and if you want to add some movement to your artwork without the hassle of drawing multiple frames, it's just the bling you need to make your art pop. This part of the video is mostly repeated, as I am just repeating the process for each frame, tweaking them slightly. You can skip ahead a couple minutes or put the video on 2x speed. I changed the background color to make the flames pop. A darker color can do the job. I then went ahead and added small brush strokes to add more details. My process is a bit messy, but it gets the job done. You can achieve similar results faster by planning your artwork ahead of time. To add more depth, I create a new layer and set it to screen mode, and using an airbrush I go over the edges of the fire to make a smoke effect. I do this on every frame, but you can draw it on one frame and copy-paste it in each folder. Play around with the frame length and space between frames to find the perfect animation time that works for you. You can do that by dragging the frames across the timeline. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. You can find a more detailed written tutorial in the link in the description. If you found this useful in any way, please like and share it with your friends. It would help me a lot.